entertainment video killed on all the big social media sites and threatened to sue anyone who hosts it. This is gonna cost us a lot of followers.
DMCA takedown. Annoying.
This is worse than annoying. This is a declaration of war. I will not be censored.
Hey, New Dawn's a fucking scam. Rich people throwing away their money for some elitist circle jerk shit. This could be big for us. I mean, nobody's gonna take the side of those assholes unless they're already members.
We are so gonna cornhole this fake-ass church.
What's cornhole?
Where the corn goes after you eat the corn, Josh.
Oh.
They don't like us using footage of their celebrity whore, Jimmy Siska. So let's start with him. He's our highest profile spokesperson.
But it's Jimmy Siska. I mean, when I was a kid, I had the Siska glasses, the pop collar. I even knew every line to Open Wounds.
Dude, me too! I even have the lunchbox.
Nice.
Mint.
Nice.
Just not Cisco, okay? Just anyone but him.
There's
Please.
gotta be another way, all right?
He's in town shooting Cyber Driver. I was just thinking maybe we could talk to him. Fuck up his relationship with New Dawn. He can go back to being less of a douchebag.
Then I could go back to wearing my Siska tees without feeling like one.
Wait a minute. You used cornhole as a verb. That doesn't even make sense in the context if you...
Okay, we focus on Siska. New Dawn keeps blackmail records of their celebrity shills, right? We check out the local center, we just need to get in and dig up his file. Everybody in?
In.
I'll round up the locals and I'll meet you there.
Let the cornholing begin.
You heard the man.
Cornhole.
For too long, predators have victimized the weak and the wounded under the guise of religion. The Church of the New Dawn is a scam. Rank in the church is based on financial contribution. Loyalty is bought through blackmail and fear. They believe they are untouchable. That will soon change. DedSec will reveal the secrets and true purpose of New Dawn. You can help. Take up a mask and protest your local recruitment center. Let their leaders know what you think of them online. Join us as we send them a message. No more. DedSec will give you the truth. Do what you will.
Oh, damn. I'm fucking clumsy, man.
I don't have all day, you know. Stop!
Hey, your niece has quite the audience count.
A mix of pervs and airheaded teens, I'm sure. They could all use a lesson in internet safety.
Don't worry, we'll give your niece a little scare.
Hey guys, it's Cindy, aka DanceBoo01, and this one goes out to JohnBoy415. Oh, Jimmy! Stay out of my room, Jimmy!
Like I'm going to your stupid room!
Whatever, this is your crap music. This is what real music sounds like, loser. Oh, Mom! Jimmy fucked up my music! Ah! Jimmy, I know you're doing that!
Shut up! I'm doing my crunches!
Ah, I hate this house! Oh, Jimmy! Jimmy, I'll kill you! Oh, Jimmy, I told you not to! Ow! John Boy, John Boy, I love you, and I forgive you for making out with Lorraine in home ec class.
I think we did our job.
Thanks, man. Cindy and I are gonna have a long talk later today. In the meantime, I'll put together a package to help kids be more secure online. They'll use it if it's from DedSec. DedSec's cool, right?
I hope so.
That's my smile for today.
How's the startup?
You know me, more algorithms, more problems.
I sure do. Keep me posted.
You're on the list.